HOPR staking is finally here, Coco. Good girl. What up guys, Matt here, and in today's video I'm going to share with you guys the process of staking your HOPR tokens. So before we get started, I thought it would be a good idea for me to share with you guys what HOPR is. So they got a 1 minute and 30-second video here. They also got it in multiple different languages. So obviously we're just going to do English. So let's go ahead and watch this together.
Millions of gigabytes of data are sent around the world every minute, and this is only going to increase. We all feel safe because our data is encrypted, but our metadata isn't. With minimal effort, it's exposed for anyone to see, and this is a huge problem. Luckily, there's a game-changing solution, HOPR. HOPR protects your privacy by keeping data and metadata secret. How? The data packets hop through our HOPR mixnet via multiple nodes, so no one can tell where the data comes from and where it goes. And everyone who helps earns HOPR tokens. HOPR is a payment token. Users like medtech companies pay HOPR to send their sensitive data privately. And these tokens are paid to node runners like you. Just like Bitcoin are distributed to miners, HOPR tokens are distributed to HOPR relay node runners. To run a node, you must lock up HOPR tokens. This is your stake. The more you stake, the more traffic you can relay, and the more you earn. Everybody can join our global HOPR network. Install a node for free on your computer, or just buy a plug-and-play HOPR hardware node, which does all the work for you. Simple and easy. Earn HOPR tokens and help provide a secure global privacy network. Changing data privacy for good. HOPR.
So as you may have heard, you can run your own HOPR node for free. You need a Linux device or Ubuntu, or I believe Mac OS also works. Honestly, it is easier to buy one of these Evados like I did, but if you're very technical, go ahead and try it, or if you want to learn, go ahead and try doing it. But for me, I'm just taking the easy way, buying an Evado where all I have to do is download and boom, it's ready to go. Let's read the announcement page that they let everyone know about. So HOPR's gamified staking program is almost here. The contract will be deployed on the xDai chain, and the staking token will be xHOPR. Very important, that's xHOPR, not just normal HOPR, because not on Ethereum chain, it is on the DAI chain. Do not send tokens from a centralized exchange like AscendX directly to the smart contract. Now, if you guys didn't know, when you stake HOPR tokens, you actually don't need any hardware. You don't need an Evado or a HOPR-PC, but I am going to let you guys know why you may want to get one here later, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, the staking program will run from July 27th through January 17th. So even if you sign up on July 1st, your staking lockup time is until January 17th. I confirmed that, made sure. All right, so rewards. So rewards will be paid out in wrapped xHOPR tokens and can be unwrapped using the widget. We'll take a look at that later. The staking contract pays out about 0.05% per day, which works out to be about 18.25 APR. And each address can further boost the APR earnings by redeeming NFTs. We'll talk about that in a second. So the xDai chain, it means cheaper fees for you to send your things. You don't have to pay the crazy gas fees that Ethereum has. And xDai is almost instant too with sending things, so it's really nice. So that means only xHOPR tokens can be staked. I'll show you guys how to convert Ethereum HOPR to xDai HOPR if you need that bridge. And just a reminder, make sure you only use the xDai chain because if you try to send Ethereum HOPR to it, then you lose everything. So they're doing an NFT kind of thing to help boost your rewards, which I thought is kind of cool. So these are a way for HOPR to reward active and engaged community members by boosting their stake. So let me give you an example. So if you scroll down here, you'll see the HODL NFTs. So they're rewarding HODLers for people who started staking during testnet phase. So if you were holding before March 27th, you would get 10% boost, and you can read here. But if you are lucky, you can get in before July 27th, which is when the snapshot is, and get a 2.5% boost. So I'm going to be getting that. I'm going to try to get this video out as fast as possible. Maybe you guys can get it too. So yep, the rewards begin on the 27th, and definitely go check out the Telegram if you have any questions whatsoever. So link for this article that you see here will be in the description. So let's go ahead and carry on. And if you guys haven't seen it yet, go check out the Evado unboxing that I did. The Evado is a very nice blockchain computer where you can easily download different apps instead of going through a huge text file. It doesn't require a whole bunch of tech savvy things, and you just click download and easy to follow. And the reason you may want to get one is because if you run a node with the HOPR token, not only do you get an airdrop of HOPR tokens like this video here, but there are also rumors about another NFT drop that you could get to increase your staking rewards if you have an Evado. Shh, don't tell them I said that. And you can get 2.5% off your Evado if you use my link in the description. Another thing about running a HOPR node on the Evado is that staking using a node will be available at a later time when the node software is more stable and safe. Using a node, you will be able to earn by relaying data. Thanks, Coco, for getting your ear in my mouth. Good girl. So as you can see here, I now got my HOPR node downloaded on my Evado, and we're gonna go to my dApps here, and here's HOPR. Let's go ahead and open it up. So for a limited time, you can actually get your node funded for free. It is not suggested, as you can see here, to deposit any tokens because you have a chance that you could lose all your tokens right now. So do not deposit your own tokens in here, but you can get them funded for free. All you gotta do is copy and paste your node address here, and then go to their Discord, the HOPR Discord, not the Evado Discord. Link will be in the description, and then copy and paste it in here. So there we go. Sure, awesome. Node has been funded. It's starting. Ooh. It says it has been funded. Thank you. All right, let's go ahead and close this. And as you can see here, it's been funded and it is now starting. And he says welcome. All right, so as you can see here, my node has started. Remember, do not send any assets to this address. Don't send them at all is my suggestion. Just don't. Only send the ones that they fund for you in the Telegram group. Don't actually send any yourself. But anyways, I hope by doing this, maybe I'll unlock an NFT for some more rewards for staking. Speaking of staking, let's get back to the staking part of things. All right, so now we need to set up our MetaMask to be able to show us the xDai chain and to show the HOPR token. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So the first thing you need to do is add a custom RPC. So all you got to do for this is follow this down here. Link will be in the description. Just copy and paste all this. So what you got to do is go to your MetaMask. I'm assuming you already have MetaMask for this. And then click the little arrow up here and click Custom Rpc. And then what you want to do is copy and paste everything here. So copy and paste. And there you have it. Quick tip, it is so much easier if you split your screen like I did here. Doing that makes it so much easy to copy and paste, just for a quick tip. And then you just click save, but I'm already using it as you can see here, so let's just continue. Okay, so now that you got your custom RPC up here, you need to select from Ethereum and go to xDai chain. And there you go. As you can see, I've done some of this before. What you're going to have to do now is add a custom token, as you can see here. So what we need to do is add wrap HOPR tokens and xDai HOPR tokens. So let me show you how to do that. So first we're going to do wrap HOPR tokens. These are the ones that you get from the airdrop if you have an Evado video over there. And all you do is link for this will be in the description, and you copy and paste this. So click copy, then go to your MetaMask, and then scroll to the bottom, make sure you're on the xDai chain, hit add token, copy and paste the address. After that, it will automatically fill in for you. As you can see, I've already done it, but it'll automatically fill in for you. So there it is, wrap xDai HOPR. Next, you're going to need to do the normal xDai HOPR instead of wrapped xDai HOPR. So now I got the normal HOPR. This is just HOPR that's taken from the Ethereum chain and bridged over to the xDai. Don't worry about it. Just hit copy, do the exact same thing, and it will automatically populate everything for you, and you hit add. So the reason you need the wrap version and the normal version is because they are going to be sending you the wrap version, and then you can convert it using the wrapper and convert it back to this version where you can stake it again. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so as you can see here, I already got the wrap HOPR tokens from that airdrop, and I need to convert it to normal xHOPR in order to be able to stake it. So we bring you to this page, the wrapper page, and link will be in the description for this. So as you can see, I have 100 of these. As we talked about, I need to convert them to normal HOPR. So we're going to select swap to HOPR. Now you're going to get an error if you don't have anything to pay for gas. As you can see here, I need some gas in order to be able to pay for this. Just like the Ethereum blockchain, the xDai will need gas in order to work as well, but not a lot, because one DAI is almost equal to $1 US. It's a stable coin. It tries to be close to $1 US as much as possible. So as you can see here, it's less than a penny, which is so much better than Ethereum right now. So let me show you how to get some xDai just in case you need it. And while I'm at it, show you how to get some xDai so you can pay for the gas. Let me go ahead and show you how to get HOPR in case you did not already own it. So let's go ahead and move over to HoneySwap. So HoneySwap is essentially Uniswap for the xDai chain, and they even have their own Omni bridge, their bridge from ECR20, which is Ethereum to xDai essentially. So if you wanted to, you could buy HOPR or DAI on Ethereum and then transfer it over through HoneySwap into the xDai chain, and then you could use that instead of doing what I'm doing. Also, another option, you could use Ascend EX if you wanted to, but that's not available for the United States. You could buy HOPR and then have HOPR sent to your xDai Metamask wallet. But be careful, if you ever use an exchange, make sure you always send it to your Metamask first, because you can't send it directly to the smart contract. But be careful, because if you do, make sure that you are sending it through the xDai. If you send it through Ethereum, make sure you send it to your Ethereum address and then use HoneySwap to switch it out. So here's a picture from Gate.io, and the only option is Ethereum. So you need to make sure you're sending everything in the right spots so you don't lose your tokens. So HoneySwap, here you can get your xDai if you wanted to. So we're going to use the Omni bridge, and let's see what we have here. So we're going to go ahead and click this. Make sure you switch back over to Ethereum since you're doing Ethereum mainnet to xDai. So let me scroll through and see what I have. I have some Ethereum, but I would need to wrap that first. Got some other things. Don't buy this just because you see it, guys. This doesn't mean I know what I'm doing. I just have some things. Look, I have crypto kitties. Yay! So yeah, I think what I'm actually going to do is go to Coinbase and send some DAI over to my Ethereum wallet, so that way I can convert it over to xDai. So that's my plan. All right, so I'm going to send 50 DAI over to my Ethereum wallet. Let's see if there's any complications. Now remember, make sure that you put in your Ethereum address and not your xDai address. So make sure you are on Ethereum and then copy it and then paste it, okay? We need to make sure this is Ethereum. All right, here we go. All right, so it says it's going to take about 10 minutes. All right, and while I'm waiting for my token to be received in my MetaMask, I'm going to make sure that I have DAI added to my Ethereum, so that way I know when it's there. Oh, it's already there. There you go. All right, so now we got DAI, so we can take the DAI, D-A-I, $50 worth basically, and transfer it into your xDai wallet. So here we go. Error. Oh, whoops, I forgot to hit max. There we go. Oh, gotta unlock it first. Gonna cost $1. Thanks. All right, cost $1 of Ethereum. Thanks, guys. All right, and it is now unlocked, so we can go ahead and transfer it over 1-for-1 ratio. That's really nice. I'm curious because I've never used the bridge before. What fee it's going to be? It says 0%. The current gas fee is really high, and let's continue. So what fees do I have to pay? So I have to pay gas fees and Ethereum. That's what I gotta do. All right, let's just do it. Waiting for confirmation. All right, 11 out of 12. Oh, there we go. All right. Hey, don't you hit me. Good girl. All right. So it is now transferred. As you can see, it's in my xDai chain. So if you go over here, you can see it on my xDai now. And I have 50. Where is it? And I have 50 xDai. We'll give it a second and make sure that I have 50 xDai. All right, so I figured out what happened. I sent just DAI, not xDai, so we still need to convert it to xDai. And what's nice about OmniBridge is they give you a little bit of xDai, pay for your next fee if you already had 0 account balance of xDai. So we're gonna go back to HoneySwap. We're gonna select DAI. As you can see, I got 50 DAI right here. So we'll select DAI. And then we're going to switch it into xDai. So then we're going to click max, and then you can swap away. So right here you got the contract address for DAI stablecoin if you wanted it. So we'll go back to HoneySwap and you can just put it in your MetaMask. And there you can see that I got 50 DAI. So let's go ahead and add the tokens just because. Link in the description for that just in case you want to see it. And I'm going to go ahead and approve my DAI. It should be very cheap actually. So let's go ahead and approve the DAI. Free. That's what I like to see. Almost free. There you go. And there you go. It's been approved. And now we can go ahead and swap. So here we go. Now, I don't like that I'm not going to get 100% of 1-to-1 ratio here. I feel like it should. Down here, you can select different ones, but that would give you a worse thing. So 50 to 44, I guess. All right, we're going to do that because here's some fees and stuff. And let's swap anyways. Accept price, swap. The swap has a price impact of less than 5%. Please confirm that you're willing to pay that. I will, just because I want to make this video for you guys. All right, let's accept it. Gas fees really cheap. Let's go. Transaction submitted. Sweet. And right now, if you wanted to, you could also convert all your xDai actually into HOPR if you wanted to make some extra HOPR tokens or something. So you could do that if you wanted to, just like Uniswap. Alright guys, so after recording this video, I realized that the reason that I didn't get a 1-to-1 ratio with my DAI to xDai is because I was using OmniBridge, which was doable. As you'll see later in this video, it works just fine. If you want a closer to 1-to-1 ratio, use the xDai bridge from DAI to xDai, but this only works from DAI to xDai, that's it. Otherwise, if you want to convert maybe your HOPR tokens on Ethereum, then you have to use ERC20 to xDai, like I do in the video. So let's go ahead and continue on. All right, and now I got xHOPR. Isn't that awesome? I got, instead of wrap xHOPR, I got normal xHOPR. Just says HOPR. It's a little misleading, but it is xHOPR as long as you're on the xDai. So now that we got it switched over, let's go ahead and show you how to actually stake it. All right, so here we are with the HOPR staking interface, and as you can see here, they got lots of links to basically anything you may need. So in the link in the description, this one will be on the very top, just so that way it's easy for you. So now let's go ahead and sync our rewards. So how do we do this here? Oh, you need to connect your wallet. Duh. All right, MetaMask or Wallet Connect. Let's do this one. All right, we're gonna connect the one with xDai. Connect. There we go. So now I got some xDai and HOPR tokens that we went through earlier. And how much we're going to stake? We're going to stake 100. And let's go ahead and stake. So here we go. And the gas fees are less than a cent. That's why I love the xDai chain. Let's go ahead and confirm. Coco, you're so tired. You a good girl? You not getting any sleep last night? I hope you did. Oh, good girl. All right, so we're waiting for this to sync through the blockchain, and it looks like I have 100 already staked. Nope, it's still okay. Let's wait. All right, so it looks like I got 100 staked here, and I don't have any reward tokens yet, of course, and I don't have any NFTs yet because it is the 21st, and they haven't released the hodling NFTs yet. I think they'll release them around the 27th, but unsure. And then if you ever want to see the contract address for the smart contract that we're doing, you can click here and you can see it here. If you would like to see how much money I'm actually making by staking my HOPR tokens, once a month I actually post a video about all my earnings and my crypto earnings. So I made a spot for HOPR, so I'll be start doing that in July's video actually. So stay tuned for that, coming up within a few days. And then also I am doing it with the helium staking, and also how much money I'm making running these other things you may see, and yeah, like running a hotspot. Anyways guys, appreciate it. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video on how to stake your HOPR tokens. I hope it was beneficial to you and very helpful. And remember, use my code MATTLONG6 to get 2.5% off your own Evado if you want to start running a node now. Maybe we'll get an NFT for running it now. Don't know. And yeah, anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you have a wonderful day. And as always, stay safe, stay active, stay healthy, and God bless. Peace. Good girl, Coco. Good girl. Yeah. Their own bridge from ETH, but smart contract.